Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw BUSD from Revolut to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to secure your assets, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. BUSD is a stablecoin that's great for transfers, and moving it to a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano X adds an extra layer of security. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Revolut account with BUSD in it, your Ledger Nano X device fully updated to the latest firmware, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone. Always double-check that your Ledger is connected and unlocked. Safety is key in the crypto world. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the Crypto section. Find your BUSD balance and tap on it. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. In Revolut, select the amount of BUSD you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be fees, so check the details before proceeding. Now, you need the receiving address from your Ledger Nano X. Open the Ledger Live app, connect your device, and go to the Accounts section. Select your BUSD wallet. Make sure it's the correct one for BUSD on the Ethereum network, as that's how BUSD operates. Step 3. On Ledger Live, click Receive for your BUSD account. This will display a unique wallet address. Double-check it on your Ledger screen for verification to avoid any scams. Copy this address carefully. Step 4. Back in Revolut, paste the Ledger address into the recipient field. Enter the amount again, review the transaction details, and confirm. You'll likely need to approve this via biometric authentication or your PIN in Revolut. Step 5. Once sent, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan, since BUSD is an ERC20 token. It should show up in your Ledger wallet within a few minutes, but network congestion could delay it. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and websites to prevent phishing. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you securely withdraw BUSD from Revolut to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.